How to add Helvetica to Figma. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add and use the Helvetica font on Figma, both on the web and desktop. Let's get started. First, open up Figma on either app on desktop, or you can also use website. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Remember that Figma supports system fonts and Google Fonts by default. If Helvetica isn't showing up in your font list, here's what to do. If you are using the Figma desktop app and Helvetica is installed on your computer, you should already see it on the font drop-down. Just select it and start designing. Go to this text option and start typing. Now on the right hand panel, you can see different options here. If you are using Figma in a web browser, you will need to install the Figma font helper to access system fonts like Helvetica. To do this, go to Help section and there you can see Downloads option. Click on Downloads and then Font Installer. Download and install the Figma font helper. If Helvetica is not installed on your system, you can download it from a licensed font source or install it using your system font manager. Once installed, the font helper is running. Open Figma and click the text tool. You will now find Helvetica in the font list. And that's it. This is how you add Helvetica font on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.